everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, welcome. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and click on that bell so that way you get notifications when I upload new videos. So today I'm going to be trying out and swatching some lip products from Clarins. Clarins and Octoly were so kind enough to send these out to me to try out and review for you guys, so I'm super excited. So I do have some water lip stains in 4 different shades. All these shades are gorgeous for the summertime and they're beautiful colors. And then I also have the lip comfort oils, and these are beautiful either on their own or on top of the water lip stains. So both of them are gorgeous and you can pair them up. The colors are gorgeous. I love the color selection on these lippies. So if you guys want to see more on these lip swatches, just keep on watching.
See everything we believe, we just see everything.